Welcome to Joni Style Photography. Today, I'd like to show the shoes I 3D printed for my 16-inch fashion dolls. The doll on the left is a Tonner Euphemia, and the one on the right is a Madame Alexander Desperate Housewives Edie Britt. I found a great pattern for my 3D printer that fits these girls, and so I made them some shoes. The addition of little buttons or charms or not makes for some cute looking shoes. And I had these little shoe boxes from Shoesies, and I made the little red ones. So it looks like these girls are finally going to have some nice shoes. And I'll put a link to the free shoe file that I got for my 3D printer in the description. And thanks for watching.